we kind of just wanted to make sure that it was going to work before going in, like, any further with it. So we launched it at 3 schools that also had some sort of online communities. So those were Columbia, Yale, and Stanford. So launched at those 3, and within a couple of weeks, each of those 3 schools also like had thousands of users who were like, all right, this is pretty sweet. Like, let's just go all out and see how many schools we can launch this at as quickly as possible. So we closed out the year with, I think, 29 schools. Came out to Palo Alto for this summer just to hang out, because Palo Alto is kind of this mythical place where, you know, all the startups come from, and got ready to launch at another 150 schools when the year started. And now, you know, it's like we'll go to parties on campus, and like if we end up in someone's room, like there's a Facebook window open, and that's pretty cool. You know, I mean, we're like, one of my roommates was traveling around Europe a couple of weeks ago, and he went to internet cafes in like London and Ireland and Italy, and like when he went to Facebook just to check out whether it was like whether we're still working the way it was supposed to, he'd go to like the login page, and it would have like someone else's login there saved from like the last time someone had been on it. And I think like in London, he was like 2 of the people in the internet cafe were on the Facebook at the time.
I mean, another thing we're talking, like, it sort of inspires like people to actually meet out in public.
Yeah.
Like, it's not just an online community. Have you noticed stuff like that?
Yeah, I mean, I think that the goal that we went into it with wasn't to make an online community, but sort of like a mirror for the real community that existed in real life.